Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the masonry wall by using macro model. Here this is the wall, this is the beam, and this is the beam here. And we did this simulation in two steps. The first step we applied the compressive load, and in the second step we applied transverse load or horizontal load along x direction. And let me to check this. If I click on animate, see this is the first step and this is the second step. You can see the second step, and this is the stress from the second step. And we can investigate the tensile damage happen in the wall. These are the cracks which happen in the model, plastic strain, stiffness degradation, and displacement. And another important thing is force displacement diagram. You can see the force displacement diagram is this. This is the maximum capacity, 15 kilonewton, and after that we have a decrease. If we use 6 millimeter, we can get 0 for the force capacity, and that means completely failure. So if you need this simulation about the macro model of the masonry wall, you can come to our website www.abaqus.com, find the English tutorials. We have lots of English tutorials on our website and they are provided for English users. Click on the blue sign or the title, and then you will have the description about the geometry, material, assembly steps, interaction, mesh, and at the end you will have the results here. At the end there are three important points. The file contains CA and PN English video file step by step, and the cost is $25 US. If you have Bitcoins you can pay with that. If you haven't Bitcoins you can use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.